So we are gonna get 3 signing agents who make $10,000 a month in this current market from all over the country to share their tips, tricks on how they get business. What are 3 things that you do that are just like ninja, not taught in the course, that get you business that you give this credit for building a $10,000 a month business in this market?
Okay, the first one is that I'm a connector. I host networking events in my community. I invite all business owners, but I specifically try to target realtors, title companies, and loan officers. So how it works is that I host a networking event at least every other month, again, targeting local business in my town or sometimes my whole state. I put them together using Eventbrite, and once I get the Eventbrite going, I put it on social media, all my other social media platforms, and then from there, I invite all my current and old clients that I deal with and using my CRM, loan signing CRM, and I send a message. Before the month, for example, if my networking event is February 1st, I send out an email January 1st, then I go every 2 weeks, then 1 week, then the day of, the day before, and then the day of, just to promote the event.
So to kind of unpack that, he puts together an Eventbrite page, networking event this month. He then sends, and then he drives attendance by his social media page. If you're a local business, come join this free referral group, networking group. And remember, I think that the clarification that Tahiv needs to make is it's a referral group and it's not a networking group. So the purpose is everyone there to refer each other's business.
That's correct.
A network group, it just kind of says, oh, let's have cocktails. No. This is a purpose of getting people together, refer each other's business, and see if we can have I think it's an unbelievable ninja move. Yeah, let's give it a yes. What you do also is then when you invite an LO, you're telling them, oh, bring any other your business friends. Yeah. And so it's really a referral group in his city. And so how do the loan officers, realtors, title officers, how do they take the event? Are they appreciative? They're like, how do
they love it? They love it. It's something that they appreciate. Again, I'm bringing people together. Even though everybody's looking for business, especially at this time, it's not 2020, 2021, where business is just right there in the street. You got to actually go out there and hunt for the business. This time, and especially in this environment.
Yeah, no, so what I love about what he does too is, I'm probably jumping ahead a little bit, but I think this is so good to share, is we're gonna talk about his follow-up process. How do you stay in front of people that you prospect but don't use you? He's like, well, I just sent him an invite to my referral group. I was like, did that land everybody? So like he sends, so he'll email everyone, oh, I'm having a referral group, so Tahiv stays top of mind by the referral group, so it's not like, what do I say in follow-ups to all these escrow officers? Well, nothing, just invite them to this, and now they're top of mind. Does that make sense, everybody? It's so good. I'm like, to me, that's almost the ninja move on the ninja move. It's like, how do you not spam someone on a follow-up? Well, let me invite you to this thing that benefits you, and then that's great. So it's great. I think it's everyone needs to start a referral group. Everybody hear me on that? It's so good. And then also to kind of end on that, he also, gives them social media content, right? Oh, what do I post on my social media? I don't like to be in front of the camera, whatever. Well, just post, I'm having a networking group. Share this with all your business owner friends. So the fact that he's the host makes him look like an influence in his city too. So what is great about this referral group is he's elevated. Did that land everybody? Right? So because you're the one hosting, you're the one elevated. So loan officer is gonna be like, oh, you're a big deal in New Jersey? Oh yeah, I got all these businesses. So it's like there's so many edges to this circle or square that you're creating that I just think people need to hear. It's a good follow-up method. It's a good way to elevate him because if you walk into a room and Tahiv's speaking to 45 people, thank you for coming to a networking event, and you're a loan officer he just marketed to, they're like, oh snap, okay, you're the notary I need to be working with, you know what I mean? And so he's elevated amongst the business community. It is so effing good. So I wanted, yes, give it up for him. Okay, so number 2 on your list
is that I team up with realtors at their open house. I offer to help them prepare for their open houses by offering snacks, water, set up the balloons, any type of setup. And in addition to that, I act as their photographer and videographer. We posting content and creating everything, just give them some exposure. And that's free 99 to them.
Free 99. And so what I love is seeing the other 10K panels go, ooh, that's good. So hopefully everyone's like, ooh, that's good. What I will give Tahiv credit for, unbelievable, is like, he posts in the six-figure group just like, Valentina does. Like he actually posted a picture of him mowing the lawn for one of his realtors. You saw that, right? It was unbelievable. But that's, we're like, oh, how do you make $10,000 Tahiv? Well, in a month. He goes above and beyond. So what are you doing, right? And so, yeah, what I love are the specific things he does. I have in my notes, you hang up balloons. Mm-hmm. So sometimes open houses have balloons, he hangs them up. He brings, the arrow signs that he passes those out. He'll bring snacks, water he'll pay for. And then, if they need extra photography or video, he's more than happy to do it because he has a social media presence. So he adds value like that. Go to your number 3 ninja move.
Okay. On weekends, I always visit open houses to get realtor business. So when I go into open house, I pretend I'm just looking at the house. I don't pitch anything right away. I like to have my oldest son with me. We go in, he's my partner. And we go in, look throughout the whole house, and right before I leave, I let him know, I say, Trayvon, it's time to wrap it up. That's his signal that we're wrapping it up and we're about to get ready to pitch. Now, so right when we're about to walk out, I asked the realtor, how's the house been on the market? Was this a flip? How's the school system? What title companies was used for this? How often do you use them? What is the office manager name? So right when I get to those questions, he usually asks me, hey, are you working with an agent? And I say, no, I'm a local loan signing agent in the area who does mobiles closing in your area. And then I go to my pitch from there.
Did everyone just hear that? That is so ninja. So let's unpack this for a second, okay? Because the biggest thing I get from students, well, Mark, I feel weird going to open a house. How do I approach the realtor to transition from I'm actually not buying the house to let me be your signing agent? He just gave you a script that has worked flawlessly. He goes in, acts as if he's buying it. Then he gets the agent to engage with him. That's the ninja move, not the other way around. Is everybody picking up on that? So then the agent's all juiced, oh my God, you want to buy the house maybe? Oh, do you have an agent? So once they say, do you have an agent? He then goes for the close. Can we just drop the pen real quick? That was so good. So, now you know how to have a conversation without being weird and be like, hi, I'm a notary. Did you know you can pick your own notary? What, bro? So he creates rapport. Then I love what he said. I ask legit questions. How the school system? How is this? Because he's getting the agent to engage with him. It's so slick. It's so good.
Yeah, and I have my son. He gets the information from the title company. I'm prepping the title. Once I start talking about the title company, get the name and number because we're engaging and we can't remember. Sometimes I may forget, but that's why he's my note keeper to get that information, and then I have it. And even if it don't work out with the realtor, I got a title company that I may not have heard of, and now I can go market with them.
So good, right? And we're done. Bye, guys. Okay, so thank you for those 3 ninja tips.